Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to study about T cell receptors, their binding and signaling, which leads to activation and differentiation of T cells, both cytotoxic and T helper cells. The learning objectives of today's lecture are to study the different surface molecules on T cells, to study the structure and function of T cell receptors and its comparison with B cell receptor, and what is the role of CD3 complex, co-receptors and co-stimulators in T cell activation and differentiation, and how T cells are activated, that is both T helper cells and T cytotoxic cell activation. So let us start today's lecture. Before starting T cell receptors, let's review what are T cells. T cells are the main key players of cell-mediated immunity. These are the cells which mature in thymus, hence named T cells. So T cells are basically of three types: T cytotoxic cells, T helper cells, and T reg cells or T regulatory cells. T cytotoxic cells are involved in elimination of virus-infected cells by leading to apoptosis. T effector cells or T helper cells are of two types: T helper 1 and T helper 2. T helper cells are involved in activation of macrophages, which leads to killing of the ingested microbes by the macrophages. On the other hand, T helper 2 cells interact with antigen-specific B cells and activate them, causing them to make plasma cells which release antitoxin antibodies to neutralize the toxin in the lymphoid tissues. The third type of T cells are T regulatory cells, which are involved in regulation of immune response by immune suppression. The T cells display a number of different molecules on their cell membrane. As you can see here, there are a number of different molecules and each perform different function. Like T cell receptors, which are major cell surface molecules which are involved in recognition of the antigens and functioning of T cells. Apart from them, there are other molecules called CD3 or CD3 complex, which are involved in signaling transduction and are involved in T cell activation along with TCR. Apart from them, there are some molecules called co-receptors which are also involved in T cell activation like CD4 and CD8. And apart from them, there are other groups of molecules called co-stimulators which also helps in interaction with the antigen presenting cells. And there are few other molecules which are involved in adhesions. So in this lecture we will be going to study the molecules which are involved in T cell activation and differentiation in detail. Mature T cells have T cell receptors on their surface, as you can see here. So a single cell may have around 10,000 to 30,000 of identical copies of T cell receptors displayed on the surface. The function of T cell receptor is to recognize antigenic peptide which is displayed by the antigen presenting cells by the MHC molecule. So different types of T cells recognize different types of antigens which are present along with different MHC molecules. Like the peptides which originate from the cytosols are generally recognized by T cell receptors as they recognize MHC class 1 molecule. The peptide from the originating from within the cells are recognized by T helper cells because they are presented by class 2 MHC molecule. Now let us look at the structure of a T cell receptor in detail. So a T cell receptor is made up of two chains, alpha chain and beta chain. So basically it's a heterodimer. An alpha chain is about 49 kDa in size and the beta chain is slightly smaller, about 43 kDa. So you can see each this chain has two extracellular domain, and the outermost part is known as the variable region, or in case of alpha chain it would be called variable alpha, in case of beta it would be called variable beta. And then a constant region of both heavy chain, both alpha chain and beta chain, and then there is a short transmembrane and a cytoplasmic domain. So the basically the variable region of alpha and beta chain forms a region to which the antigen binds. So this defines the antigen binding specificity of T cell receptors. So the important thing is cytoplasmic domain of T cell receptors is very small. So it is not able to transmit the signal of binding of antigen to the binding pocket to the nucleus. Therefore, it requires other molecules for its help.